My inspiration is flowing today. Somebody asked me today, how do you do it that you keep giving so much? And also, why do you give so much in your free Facebook group or on your free social media, YouTube, Facebook page? And I will share with you why. You know what? Once I even thought maybe they are right, and once I thought maybe I really give too much, maybe I shouldn't be sharing so much for free, and I nearly stopped. And then I reflected and analyzed, and actually, most of my clients come from trying a little bit of my free stuff, learning from me in my Facebook group or on my Facebook business page. And I thought, so it works. Oh, hello. Welcome, welcome. You know what I noticed? I never introduced myself. And I'm curious, do you know me? Do I need to introduce myself? Or is it a waste of time? I just need to tell you what is important for you. But I'm curious to check. Do you know me? Do you know what I do? Today I want to share with you why you cannot give too much and why you don't need to worry about giving too much. And I'm not talking about overwhelming your clients with too much content, because that may be painful and that may not be helpful for your clients. And that's something that I was guilty of doing as well. But what I want to share with you is why you don't need to worry about giving your stuff away for free. And I'm not saying invite everyone to your one-to-one or online course and let them do it for free. I'm just saying you can openly share little pieces of what you would teach your clients in your courses, or what you would work on with your clients if you're just purely coaching them, without worrying that once they know it, they will not come back. Because you know what happens, and I heard it from asking people why they decided to work with me, and I heard it over and over that I gave them so much within the challenges that I was running, by sharing videos, just by giving them tips. They shared with me, you gave me so much for free that I was curious to see what is in your paid program. Because that's how our mind works. If people are getting so much for free, they think, wow, so then working with her, that will be like, what it's gonna be if she's giving so much for free. Hi, Camila, great to see you. Hello, how are you doing? So somebody else asked me, but how do you not worry that if you give this away for free, they will not buy your program anymore? I don't worry, because I know that in my program people are getting something extra. They are getting me and my super personalized support and care. And this is something they cannot get from video. In the video, okay, I'm sharing how to do this or that. I'm sharing exactly, you can get your first paying clients this way. But the people are getting stuck because they worry about things, because they have fears, because they have some strange beliefs, or because they don't believe in themselves. And in my program, I can help them with that. If somebody is just watching my video and is feeling, no, I'm scared to do this, I'm not able to help them. So can you see the difference? And also, the knowledge, the information is available everywhere. What I'm sharing, even if I feel like I just realized that or found this, somebody else already wrote books about it. Somebody else already probably did a Layla Facebook YouTube video about this. What's important for my people is that they hear this from me, with my story, with my confirmation that it works, and also with my personalized support. I read hi as Oh, you made me laugh. Hi, Pravina, good to see you. So, you know what? So many people who joined the first cohort. Exactly. So many people who joined the first cohort of Be You Get clients were following me for ages. And for ages, you could find my tips on nailing your niche, for example, on clarifying your message, on finding your people. And you know what? They still bought the course. Why? Because sometimes we just need somebody to hold our hand and show us a simple way to do it. Sometimes just information and how to do it is not to do it in a group of amazing people that are working on the same thing. Like for me personally, I know so much, but even when I was creating my group program, I knew how to create it. I've done already courses on creating group programs, but I still went and bought the program on creating courses just so I was able to be around people that are working on the same. Because when you're doing something with a community, with other coaches that are working on the same, it's so much easier. And especially when you have me who will give you feedback, tips, reviews all the time while being there. That's the difference. That's why people still buy, even if I deliver so much for free. And that's why, oh yes, accountability matters. Camila is saying, "Oh, call me when." Yeah. Yes. So I've lost my thought. That's why you can see, even when I know something, I will still go and buy from somebody that I love energy of that person, just because they are amazing and just because they create amazing community, amazing experience. Thank you. You are so amazing, coach. You too. So there is exactly. Seriously, if anybody ever tells you don't give so much for free, try it yourself. That's my approach. I learned from people, but I will still experiment on myself. And I did, and I tried. And you know, sometimes what I did, sometimes I even gave somebody an access to 1 day of my group program, because I knew exactly that this is they are struggling with. Somebody was struggling with charging their worth, setting that price right, designing that package and putting the price tag on it. So I shared with that person that one video. Even before taking any action, this person bought the course. It's like sometimes you need to give somebody a taster, because when you give, you also show that you are not desperate to get them on the course. So I'm not saying, this is only on my course, you cannot learn it anywhere else. I'm openly sharing it all, but I know that in the course they will have amazing experience, personalized support, that group of people that are working together, that are meeting every single week on the call to answer, to support each other, to masterminds together, and also to do a little bit of deep inner work. Exactly. Camila is saying, give it, it's not about money. Exactly. You don't need an advert. Yes. I know how much this works because I practice it myself, Pravina says. I know. You know what? I hope you're having a good day as well. I remember years ago I was so afraid to do any video. Now I'm having so much fun just by coming here and sharing it with you. Camila is saying, I think we will be working together. Oh yes, I know this since I first met you. I'm just waiting when you will be ready. Oh, I only work with amazing people like you guys. And I'm enjoying it. Coming here, sharing it with you. So, I want to encourage you as a result of watching this video. If, let's say you have a course, share just one lesson from that course. Just do a video and share the knowledge that you deliver there in that one lesson. Or if there is a particular topic that you work on one-to-one with your clients, share some exercises or questions with them that can help them. Seriously, when you will make a difference to somebody's life for free, they will come for more. You will be surprised and you will thank me for that. And of course, when you are sharing for free, don't be shy to mention what else they can get when they work with you. So it's not about, giving, but not making offers. I want to make it clear. I even within this video mentioned about the group program that starts on the 7th of September, how much more is in the group program, because I cannot within video deliver community, friendships that you are making forever. You know what people said? One person said to me something that really stayed with me. I don't know if it's horrible to share that or not, because it may show my competitor in the bad light, so I will not share the competitor's name, but she said that she bought a course of one coach that is well known, like all of you definitely know this coach, and I admire that coach. And she said, it was nothing like your group program. She said, because it was just the knowledge, just the information, but it was no support. And here in Be You Get Clients, for so much less money, I have you helping me personally and all these people, that community. We are doing it together and you really, really care about us. You know how much this mattered to me? And sometimes I forget to mention that this is the beauty of my program. Pravina, you sound so happy. Love it. I am happy today. Yes. Thank you. I hope you are too. I am happy and I'm sending you loads of love, guys. And I'll see you soon again.